Hi, I'm Renelle Hager. I'm from Arcan RV in Atchison, and I'm here to talk to you about the Heartland Prowler 1700DB. This unit is 21 feet long, just under 3,400 pounds. On the outside here, we've got a nice big awning, full length awning as well, so it'll keep you covered, rain or shine. One really nice feature that this unit carries is the amount of storage it's got on the outside. So you've got a huge storage underneath here, and what's really nice is you can actually access it from underneath the bed, which I will show you inside. We've also got some extra storage on this side here as well. So lots of place to put your camping belongings and all that jazz. Inside here, so we'll start with the queen bed that we have, and as promised, I'm going to show you the storage underneath that can be accessed from outside as well. But lots of room to put your belongings and keep them safe. You've also got, so you've got the USB, USB-C plug-ins on both sides. So you can always keep your electronics and things always plugged in. We've got the dinette here, comfortable seating for the family. We've got the movable table as well, so you can bring it in or out. We've also got a double burner stove, 12-volt refrigerator, and air conditioning throughout the unit as well. We've got lots of storage for this unit, cupboard space all around. And we're moving on to the bunk beds here. We've got bunk beds, they can fit up to 300 pounds on each one. We've also got some storage underneath there too, if you ever need to fit anything underneath. More storage, microwave up top too. And of course, the bathroom, a 6-foot tall shower and toilet, everything you need. And yeah, that is the Prowler Lynx by Heartland, the 1700DB model. My name's Renelle. Come see us at Arcan.